So this is the number 19 in our nawala. This is the number 19 of our vehicle rental, and the question is find customers who have rented vehicles with a combined rental cost exceeding $10,000, display their name, contact details, and total cost. So, diri ta naka-focus sa name, contact details, and total cost. Same ra gyapon sa mga atong gibutang ganiya. We use select to select the customer ID, contact number, and email address. We use C. This is the alias of customer. We use customer ID column from the customer table, which is alias C. Ang gingon ganiha. Ganun gigamit na to ning sum R quantity as total spend. This sum calculates the quantity. Kaning quantity is nani siya sa ato rental details. Okay, mo man atong kapangitaon sa total spend sa nag-rent sa sakyanan. The column rental details as alias as R na kaning na diri, and assign the result of the alias as total spend. So mo gani atong gi-focus from customers alias C. Then gigamit na to ang inner join. The inner join clause to combines the data of customers table and rental details. Mo ni siya. So, pasensya kay loading, kay guba ang mic sa laptop. Nag-use sa tag cellphone para makamic ta. Sorry kayo sa mga echo. Nawala na ko. Then, inner join. We use on customer ID and customer ID. To link the customer table with the rental details, table based on the customer's ID. This condition, it should be, but gi-correct na to siya para makuan kay it should be R para sa rental details. Pero sa ato magong database table, di siya pwede kay sa rental details walay customer ID or nagloko lang gid niya ang sum kay kada kuan di gid siya mo run. So we use group by customer ID, contact number, email address para ma-close ang groups sa so result the specified column sa so, gingon ganiya sorry po, customer ID, contact number, and email address para makalculate ang correct total spend from the customer. And we use having some rental details that quantity in $10,000. We use having to filter the result after the grouping. After the grouping, it selects the only groups like customers where the total spend calculated diri sa quantity is greater sa $10,000. So, if we run this code, makita na to siya ang gatong sakyanan nga ikon sa customer. Nara. So, this is the question of question number 19 in vehicle rental database.